Everyone, it's Andy here from Secrets to Trading 101, and firstly, hope you've all had a good Christmas and Happy New Year, and we're looking to smash the NFT trading, cryptocurrency trading and forex trading in 2022. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some huge NFT projects coming up, but firstly, let's talk about the market over Christmas. I mean, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, massive lows at the moment. Ethereum, the trader in me, so obviously we do forex trading, cryptocurrency trading. It's down at the moment. I mean, if we have a look at the 7-day or the monthly, so 38 monthly. So I can go on to TradingView and we can have a look at this, but for me at the moment, I can't see it going much lower. Maybe 2,700. If the whales decide to push it further down. If not, I think we're going to consolidate here for a while, and then we'll see another run once people decide what they're doing with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Obviously, we've got Ethereum 2.0. There's lots of other good stuff coming up for Ethereum this year. But yeah, I mean, it's January sales for NFTs, guys. Ethereum's at an all-time low. If you've got some money left over from Christmas, it's just burning a hole in your wallet, or it's sat in your bank account collecting dust. This isn't financial advice, but change it into Ethereum. That's what I'm doing, and I'm looking at buying and flipping NFTs. So, with that being said, there's something like we've been asked a lot of questions recently. People reaching out to us on social media. Obviously, this channel's probably about a month old, a bit longer. We are growing it. We are looking at providing practically daily videos on NFTs, trading, and crypto. We are sticking with NFTs at the moment because we find that is the easier. Obviously it's a trending topic, but it's the easier way to get into trading, especially if you're a newbie. You don't want to jump straight into forex trading and reading charts and looking at support and resistance lines and MACDs and stock RSIs and stuff like that. So we think with trading it's a lot easier to understand, and we try to break it down as simple as possible. So one of the first things I want to say to people, again, this isn't financial advice, this is just me from my trial and error and me losing money and making money and stuff like that. If you're new to NFTs, firstly, don't put money in that you can't afford to lose. It's the biggest thing I can say to people. A lot of people FOMO in. They go, oh my God, I can put this on a credit card, I can remortgage my house, I can take out a loan and stuff like that. I get it. But there's not a lot of projects out there that will 100x and make you a millionaire overnight. If you're lucky to mint a rare one, great. Obviously, then you still need the project to do well in order to make life-changing money from it. Realistically, you're looking at like 2-3x. When you're just starting out, even if you get them 1.5x return, 2x returns, just find your feet, just dip your toe in and out of different projects. And that's it. I mean, one of the projects I was playing around with before Christmas was Alien Ferns. You'll see that in previous videos. I bought a few of them. I flipped them at like 0.14. I mean, if we look at that now, it's nearly 3 ETH. It is what it is. Do you know what I mean? Like, a part of me was like, oh shit, I should have held on to it. But the other part, again, I was flipping it. I made a profit. I was in and out. I'm happy. Got into other different projects as well. It is what it is. You'll find some. And we'll talk about in other videos in the next day or two about my rules and what I do and how I find it and how I manage to recoup losses and stuff like that. But on to today's video. Huge NFT projects happening this week. So firstly, if you've not already heard of this project, where have you been? It is called Undead Pastel Club. So obviously it's got everything that we love. It's got the apes, it's got the mutant apes, it's got the pastel products. I mean, this is popping off. Whitelist mint is today. What are we on the 10th? No, whitelist mint is tomorrow, the 11th, and that is 0.07 ETH. But you're only entitled to 1 mint per wallet. And then public sale, if you do manage to get them, I'm not whitelisted, I am going to try and get on public sale. You can mint up to 10, and it is 0.01 ETH. So about, what, $200, $300 at the moment. Well worth getting into for this project. I think this will go really, really well. I will leave a link in the descriptions below for these, and I'll try and keep the videos shorter because I know you guys like the short videos, straight to the point. You can do your own homework and due diligence. Yeah, I'm loving the art on this. It's got the best of everything. It's got the doodles, it's got the bored apes, it's got the mutant apes. I can see this doing really well. Again, they've got a decent marketing budget set aside. They're going to be doing merch, and then the community funds and raffles. And again, it's another metaverse land one. A lot of these projects come out where we're going to be doing this in the metaverse, going to be doing that in the metaverse. guys, do your own homework. Whilst a lot of projects have launched on the metaverse, a lot of projects haven't. So treat it as what it is. It's just the art. Whether you're in it long term or not, that is up to you. Like I say, do your own homework and due diligence. Don't take my word for it. Don't take any YouTuber's word for it. Look into it, get a feel for it, look at previous videos of what we've done in this channel, and you'll understand, and you'll get a greater understanding of what's good and what's not. Me, I'm all in on this one. I'm going to I'll probably if I can mint 10, I'll mint 10. Realistically, I always mint 3 of a project, and I'll cover that in another video in the next couple of days, and to the reasons why I do that. But yeah, definitely going in on Undead Pastel Club. We just jump onto the Discord real quick. You see we're into a lot of Discords. So let's have a look. So this is it here. And there's 140,000 in the Discord. It's really active in the Discord chat, so make sure you check that out. Again, links for the Discord, links for Undead Pastel Club. Second is Polyverse Art by Idris B. I've talked about this before. And this one is a slow burner, but I think it's just down to the marketing. The guy's a world-renowned artist. It's a first for the NFT industry. Well, technically we've got Takashi Murakami and Clone X and Nike, but this guy is a well-known, worldwide well-known artist out of Dubai. He's got really big backers. He's mates with Ja Rule, with Akon. He's putting concerts on with Tiger for people in New York. And this is going to go saying lots and lots of benefits. Think Bored Ape Club benefits, but with the added art of Clone X, if that makes sense. This will have a phase 2. So on Mint, it was 0.2 for whitelisters. I managed to pick up 3 of these. For public mint, it's 0.35. You can see the floor at the moment is 0.25. The phase 2 of public mint will be on Wednesday, the 12th of January. So if you're frightened you're not going to get on phase 2 public mint, sweep the floor, guys. The floor is cheaper. It's not far off. I mean, there's one there, there's a couple here, but you can see how thin the floor is. 0.25, 15, which you've practically doubled your money. So yeah, they're going to be doing that big marketing campaign on that. Thirdly was one that I seen on Icy Tools, and it just popped off, and I love the art. I think it's something new. I'm loving all these 3D ones, and this is Imps by Super Nifty. Check this out. All verified. It's trending at the moment. We can see from the activity, minting in like trades in minutes and hours, not hours and days. It's still going. It's still popping off. These was something like 0.3, 0.4, 0.03 or 0.04 for it at mint. It only just minted out. It only just finished minting a couple of days ago around here, and just boom, shot out. You can see it's like 0.05. I managed to get some literally on the way up. I've been selling some, I'm keeping one. This is really cool project. If you just look at the art, you'll see why. It's on Rarity Tools, it's on Rarity Sniffer. How cool are these? Look, little 3D arts. So yeah, very cool. It's like the floor for these at the minute is 0.12. Again, fairly thin floor. So there's money to be made for those of you who are sweeping and trading. Very thin floor at the moment on Imps by Super Nifty. Again, links in the description. Check this out. And lastly is one that I am whitelisted on, and one that if you're into any sort of laws of attraction, positivity, mind coaching and stuff, very well worth checking out. And that is the Super Creators Assemble. It's got really good utilities with it. I don't want to explain too much. I want you to do your own homework on this. Fully doxed team. The artwork is created by the main man himself, Master Shia Kashner. All roadmap on it. Again, I'm conscious of the time of the video. I do want you to do your own homework. There's all the team behind it. Know the team. I've talked to the team. Like I said, you can check all these out. You can see the collaborators. These are all people that they're going to be going to be promoting it. They've got other celebrities promoting it as well. And the good thing about this one is there's only 2,222 of them. So I think this will sell out really, really quickly. The utilities, it gives you access to events, it gives you access to yoga online and laws of attraction and positivity coaching. Anything, if you're into that type of thing, this would be well worth it. They've also got a breeding functionality, sorry, with it, where if you hold a male and a female after reveal, after 90 days you can mint a baby and you can sell them on the secondary markets as well. I do think that this will be popping off. Get into this one early. Links in the description for this. Join the Discord. Check it out. See for yourself. Very, very early days on this. It's going to be coming. Public mint is the 2nd of February 22 this year. And again, the guy behind it is Master Shia Kashner. If you've never heard of Master Shia Kashner before, go check out his YouTube channel. He has 1.5, nearly 1.6 million following on YouTube alone. Nearly 3 million overall his social media channels. Talks all about laws of attraction and stuff like that, and spirituality, very worth checking out. But he is the guy, and his team are behind Super Creators. I will be doing other videos on this into the run-up to public mint. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. 4 really good projects happening. Go check them out. Do your own homework and due diligence. Don't get greedy, obviously, especially if you've got these non-rare 9,999th NFT out of 10,000. Just flip it, guys. Get your money, get in and out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.